You ever had plans you weren't going to buy something at the store and then you did? In today's episode, we're going to be opening up these toy mini brand surprises for a project that I have in mind. And to find out, are they worth getting? Why in the world am I buying them? Stay tuned. This is your Geek Fix. So, on my channel included, I noticed lately these ads for these toy mini brands, which I thought, you know, I don't know, it looks neat, it looks kind of cool. A big sucker for miniature stuff, and they have everything from the packages of the golden Rubik's Cube to all sorts of other things that are collectibles, really. And I had this idea for a project that I thought, you know, it could be kind of cool. So I thought I'd check these out, and I got 5 of them right here, and it's random, so you don't know what's going to be inside of them. So really, I don't know what I purchased. It could be a horrible combination, or it could be something really good. I do notice that they tend to shake a little bit differently. Some are a little bit more full, or some are, I don't know, a little more shaky. But I thought, this could be something interesting if nothing else. So I'm going to randomly pick one. Looking at your screen, which one would you pick if you had to pick one? Let's see if I hone in and pick the same one. Is it this one? If it wasn't, that's okay. I'll get to it eventually. Looks like gotta kind of just peel it slowly off. Has a zipper, but it doesn't really tear wrong with the zipper. So once when you get it open, there's another wrapper around it. There's no instructions on the outside. I get the feeling I'm supposed to be, oh, it's on the top, right here maybe. Oh, it opens up like an orange. So you have different pieces. It looks like that those have little pillables on them. And when you peel them open, inside, that is pretty awesome. Right off the bat, start off with a good one. Look at that. This little tiny package. It looks exactly like the real thing. And on the inside, it has a miniature of the actual figure. So I'm pretty happy right off the bat. That's pretty cool. All right, so that was number 1. There's 4. It looks like on each one. So you just take it, peel it, and what's this? Oh, this is a shopping cart. So I guess it's so we can shop. Stick this part on just like this. And now there's my shopping cart where I can put my Ren and Stimpy box right there. There we go. And now I still have 2 whole sections to do. So that was even the most exciting part. I'm actually impressed with this so far. So now we're going to do another section. Oh, actually there's 2 stuck together. So there are 5 toys in each one. As I open up this one is... Oh, wow. That is awesome. Look at that. Little tiny hacky sack. And it really looks like an actual hacky sack. I mean, it looks like it's actually got the stitches on it and everything. That is incredible. So, put that right there. Look at that. And so I'm going to put these down here. Now, oh man. So far, these have not disappointed, like, at all. Here's a good size. Let's see here. The Blaze Darlington. Look at how realistic that looks, even when it's blown up for me on the phone here. Die-cast card. I doubt the actual one in here is, but still. And then it has the pictures on the back. Man, I'm loving this so far. Okay, and then get this next one out. There we go. Oh, this one's a wide one. Oh, this is my favorite one so far. So not just this is the SpongeBob SquarePants. Karate chopper. It looks like the real one. It says try me, like the real one would have, of course, the little thing that makes it go up and down. Man, look at that. So cool. Any rate, has all the little instructions, a mini barcode. That is the end of box 1, and that section also has this in it. So this actually shows you all of the different possible toys that you could get, which I'm afraid to look at even because I don't want to be, I want to be able to be surprised and not have too much knowledge about what there could be. And we still have 4 more balls that all have things in them. I have kids off screen who are reacting right now. Once again, their little zipper mechanism is the only complaint I have so far. With the wrong kid, this would probably, or adult, this could lead to some outbursts of violence. Alright, so we pull our little pin to open up the 5 sections once again. 5 sections. I'm guessing, I'm randomly pulling these. I don't think it tells you an order to open them in, but we'll pull this. Boy! Now this isn't as exciting because there's, oh my gosh, wait a minute. There is something that's inside of this. I was thinking, well, it's just a box. I mean, compared to the other ones that have toys. But you know what? Could it be? Oh no, it's just, I think it's just cardboard to keep it stiff. So that, wouldn't it be cool though if it actually had something inside? Kind of random cardboard too. We'll fold that back up. Not as impressive. Still kind of a toy that looks like it's related to this one right here. Look at that. Ready to roll. Okay. Then, oh, but that makes up for it, doesn't it? Super soaker? Not just a super soaker, but a slime soaker. I don't think I've ever even seen that before. I'm not sure that I'd want one in my household. 3 more sections. Pulling the next tab here. And, oh, this goes with my super soaker, maybe. It does! Look at that! That's what you use to fill up your super soaker. Right there. The slime super soaker. I wonder if they planned that these things are supposed to combine with each other. That they're supposed to somehow... They're supposed to... Oh, it'd be cooler if the actual little robot was... Oh, look at that! It is! Oh, that's so awesome! Oh, I was about to be disappointed, and then I open it up, and look at that. Just like the real box, it has the window with the actual figure on the inside. Oh, man. That is pretty cool. I mean, these are great miniatures. I might have to send some of these to my friends Nix and Gerber because, oh look, I got a second super soaker. Looks like somebody's going to claim that. I'm going to give this one to someone. Oh no, wait, look, these are not the same. It's a different kind of super soaker. This one's the slime one that can with the slime, and then this one right here is the micro fast fill. It just looks so real. So impressed so far. Ah, I've already opened up all the sections of that one. Let's hear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, sure enough. That's 2 balls worth. We still have 3 more balls, though. This is still good times here. This does say, by the way, 3 and older, which I don't know that I would recommend these for a 3-year-old because some of these have really small parts, personally. And why would a 3-year-old get the nostalgia? These are obviously made for people that have a little bit of interest in some of these classic toys and miniatures. All right, here we go. Here's our next one. Man, look. Oh, that is so great. I love these old Nickelodeon toys here. And these are kind of going back to not quite my time, but still shows that I did watch. So, The Last Airbender, Avatar, and then, oh, nice. Again, you got this nice window effect, and the box looks pretty realistic. Whoops, I just bent part of it. That's a bummer. And, oh, best one yet. Look at that. Leonardo. I was kind of more of a Raphael guy, but still, it'd be cool if it also had the little separate accessories tied to its leg, like in the real one. Stop counting. I gotta make sure I'm emptying all my, oh man, all my boxes. I've never seen that before. This is Clipper. He's apparently a remote control dog, but the box is kind of opening up on me a little bit. At the same time, for the price of this box, you know, and your kid is wanting the $50 electronic dog, here's your alternative right there. Here's another ball. Our fourth ball. Spinning along, spinning along. He's a 3-year-old kitten said that. Pulling the pin. And which one do I pull? I think I'm doing this one first. It looks like it's a car. It is a car with a cowboy hat on top. Look at that. Love the detail. I mean, the amount of detail and the realisticness of these is incredible. And then oh, look at that. Another SpongeBob deal. This is SpongeBob in the Krabby Patty car. Look at SpongeBob. Look at that. You know, I kind of got this out of a whim. Really kind of an impulse buy. They're fairly inexpensive. I mean, we're talking $5 to $6 for a ball. And what you get inside, I think, is worth $1 a piece, easily. So, yeah, look at that. That is cool. Okay, next one. Just what I wanted. The JoJo doll in its box. Oh, man. This is some water balloons. It feels like there's water balloons in there. That's so weird. I wonder what's actually inside. Alright, now. Oh, look, I got another one of the dinosaurs. I love this. This is so cool. That is really good. Okay, so I have now had some doubles. Oh no! Am I down to the last ball? I think I am, but that's okay. Maybe you were one of the ones that picked this last ball to be one of the first to be opened. So this could be the best ball, or is it going to be the worst? I don't know. There's so much pressure. Breaking apart the pieces. So we just got 5 slices left. Ooh, this one's big enough. I can actually see through it, and it is something good. I think. Look at it. Whoops. Look at that. It's a snake. I've actually seen this in real life, so I know how big the actual one would be. So this gives us some perspective. I'd like to go through and figure out if they maintain perspective across all these toys. This is section 4, counting backward, 4, and it is a Frisbee. Look at that. Frisbee brand even. Looks like the original. A nice box here. How cool. And it looks like it's molded in such a way that it is actually a little frisbee. You should take it out and try and throw it, see if it works. Next, section 3. It is the hula hoop. Okay, well this settles it as far as the size piece. I don't think that this is as big as a hula hoop. So I don't think they are all in the same scale is the downside, but still neat. Hula hoop. Oh, 2. You ready? It's another car. It's funny, they're all different cars. So I've got, let's see here. I've got 3 cars now. There we go. And they all have been different. I think we've got a whole collection. So, now, that brings us to our final section. This is the best one. This is it. This is the best one. You ready? And in this box, in this section, the last one we have, we've got Dora the Explorer. Looks just like her. Look at that. No backpack though, or a map. That's a little disappointing. But at the same time, look at all these toys that look super realistic. Probably one of my favorites is the SpongeBob SquarePants in the Krabby Patty car. It's pretty cool. So, like I said, I think I have something that I want to do with these. That's probably going to be on a different date in a different video tied to a very different project. But, what do I think of these little balls? The, what are they called again? Toy mini brands. I actually really like it. I think it's pretty neat. I would definitely even buy another one, and definitely want to send one to some of our friends of the channel. So, like, subscribe, comment below. Stay tuned for more of our videos. And in the meantime, there's backpack. This is your Geek Fix.